Hey everyone, what's up? This is Anna. I just finished Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course. I loved it. I learned so much. It was so thorough. It's jam-packed with great information that I plan to put to great use. I want to have my own YouTube channel and I want to make a lot of money with it. Like, no joke, doesn't everybody? Matt's a great teacher. He's very thorough, very detailed. He leaves nothing out. He answers all of your questions. All of the instruction portion is video recorded. He details exactly what you're going to learn, and then he teaches it to you, and then he sums it up. He does that in every video, and you also have access to his Facebook, his private Facebook group for the course. You can put a question in there. Matt will answer it directly. There's also a lot of other students in there. They will also answer it for you. They'll also pose their own questions. You can watch and listen to the answers that they get and learn from those answers as well. I've had some brick and mortar stores, but I want to have a YouTube channel. I want to see how this whole thing works. I want to make money. I want to make not just a little bit of money, I want to make a lot of money. And I really feel with the abundance of information that Matt has given me in this course that I can do it from start to finish. And I know that Matt's going to be there with me the whole way. So thanks so much for listening. Again, I highly recommend this course. Don't hesitate at all. You're going to make your money back 10 times or more over. All right. I wish you the best of luck and everything, and thanks for listening. Bye.